Chapter 30, Human Alteration of the Biosphere. Section 30.5, Managing Species and Ecosystems. Conservationists have used two primary strategies to save species and ecosystems. Related more to species is ex situ management, and this involves conserving species in human-controlled settings. For example, taking the species that's declining in numbers in the wild and moving them into a zoo or a wildlife reserve or an aquarium. And the ultimate goal of this strategy is to keep the numbers of this threatened species high enough so that the species can be returned back into the wild and hopefully replenish the numbers to values before threats started reducing their numbers. A classic example of this is the California condor. Numbers dropped significantly, and now they have been introduced back in the wild, and their numbers are approaching values around a little bit over 1,000. So here we see a picture of a California condor. Not the prettiest looking bird. We can also focus on saving species and ecosystems in the wild. And we can create protective laws to stop hunting and poaching if that's what's causing their demise. Or if the demise of species and ecosystems is related to land use change, we can recognize biodiversity hotspots on our planet and protect these areas, or even restore these areas back to their natural habitat. This map shows 35 biodiversity hotspots that have been recognized by conservation scientists, and Conservation International and other organizations are now working to protect these areas, to focus in on these areas for the protection of species and ecosystems.